ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಗಣಿತ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 1 ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚರ್ಚಿಸಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಯುವ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಗ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. Natural number is denoted by symbol n. Whole numbers. Whole numbers means if we include 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. Matta integers. Integers ಅನ್ನ Z symbol ಅಥವಾ I symbol ನಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾರ. ಆನಂತರ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸವಿವರವಾಗಿ ಇವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಎಣಿಕೆಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಎಣಿಕೆಗೆ ಬಳಸುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಇವು 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are all natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. Natural numbers plus 0, or else if we include 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. These numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next, integers. It is denoted by symbol Z or I. I includes positive and negative whole numbers. That means I is equal to set of all and so on, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are integers. Set of negative and positive numbers including 0. These are called integers. ಈಗ rational number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ. Rational number is denoted by symbol Q. Numbers that can be written as a fraction, or else it can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. If Q becomes 0, value becomes infinite. That's why Q is not equal to 0 here. For example, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, pi, 0.25, -2 and so on are rational numbers. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is denoted by symbol Q complement or Q prime. Numbers that cannot be written as a fraction or numbers that cannot be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, are called irrational numbers, or their decimal never end or repeat. For example, √2, √3, pi, √5, 0.10, 100, 100, and so on. Now, real number set. Above all, set together form real numbers R, or else R is equal to rational numbers union. This is a symbol for union. Irrational numbers. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿನೂ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. Rational numbers union irrational numbers. Real numbers is the union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Real numbers are called the numbers that can be found on the number line. This is the number line, positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis. They include both rational and irrational numbers. See, revision part of this is natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are also called counting numbers. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers means if we include 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. Integers denoted by symbol I or Z. These are negative and positive numbers including 0. Rational numbers, it is in the form of P by Q. Irrational number, it is not in the form of P by Q. For example, root 2, root 3, pi, E and so on. Real numbers, it is the union of rational and irrational numbers. We will discuss prime numbers in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.